Hey everybody, I wanted to come on here real quick today and share with you guys my last handbag purchase for 2024. So if you want to see what I have in this bag, then just keep watching. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But today, this is going to be a really quick and short video because I only have one thing to show you guys, and it's my final handbag purchase for 2024. So I was on the Coach website the other day and I was actually looking for something specific. They have it, but they didn't have it in my store. But as I was browsing, something else caught my eye, something that I'm surprised I hadn't seen before prior to now because it's available in my store and I actually ordered it online and picked it up. But I was just there last week and don't remember seeing this. But anyway, let's get into it because this right here is going to make a trifecta. So what I have in this bag is another Rowan. So guys, I thought this was so pretty and I'm so glad that I waited for this because I came super close to getting the Rowan in the floral print to match the floral print backpack that I got a couple of weeks ago. And it's actually in my cart. Well, it was a couple of days ago. I don't know if it's sold out at this point, but I've had it in my cart for the longest and I don't know what was keeping me from pulling the trigger. I think it was because it had black on it and I was like, I already have an all black Rowan. But that bag was just so cute. And when I saw Dory Nicole show hers, I wanted it so bad. But for whatever reason, like I said, I didn't pull the trigger on it. And I'm glad I didn't because this one right here, I think is a little more me than the floral print, even though the floral print is gorgeous. I think this one is just a tad more subdued, I guess you could say. But this has gold hardware, and that was the thing too that helped me justify getting this is because this has gold hardware and the all black Rowan I have is all leather, it's puffy, and it has silver hardware. So it's not like I'm getting two bags that were really super similar. This is the first one that I've actually purchased that has a signature on it. But let's just get a close up of this bag. Let me move up a little bit. So this, as you can see, it's got black leather down the middle. And then, like I said, the gold hardware. I don't know if y'all ever noticed how they write Coach inside of the C on their signature canvas. They'll do it in like little random spots on the piece. I'm sure there's another spot. It may be another spot somewhere on here, but there's always there's another one. You'll always find at least one or two of those um, on your bag. I don't know if y'all ever noticed that. But it's just like those little small details that really make me appreciate the Coach outlet because you just don't expect that type of detail on outlet pieces. But let me get the tape off of this zipper so we can get a good look at this zipper. And I mean, y'all know what the Rowans look like. This zipper is not going to be any different than any of the other ones, but this is a reveal, so I may as well show it to you guys. I just finished filming an SLG haul and I still have my scissors right here. And I'm glad that I do because this, again, they put so much wrapping on these bags. It's ridiculous. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. Okay. So we get a good look at this hardware. You can see that it says Coach on the zipper pull. It's got Coach on the grommets. And let me cut this off of here so I can detach the strap. And this also has a back pocket that's pretty generous in size. You could definitely fit a phone back here. I don't know if you could fit a large phone, but I could definitely fit my iPhone back here. I have just a regular 15, and this feels like it would definitely fit with no problem. And it goes like the pocket goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So see how deep it is and long. But guys, the other thing that really made this bag cute to me is the strap. So this actually has a guitar or web strap, which I thought was bomb with this bag. This just looks super cute on this bag. And then of course it also has gold hardware. Um, you can see Coach on the little hook right there. It also says Coach like right here on the bottom. You're not gonna be able to see it, but well, you may be able to. Y'all see that says Coach down there too. But there's like leather trim on the strap here where it attaches to the hook, and then it's fabric the rest of the way. And you can see it says Coach going across. And then other thing that I like about this bag, especially considering that Coach took the feet off of the regular size Rowans, is that this one has a leather strip on the bottom. So for this one, I won't even probably use my handbag heels since it has this leather on the bottom. And since this is a canvas bag anyway, I probably won't worry about using handbag heels for it. So, but that's it, guys. I just want to come on here real quick and show you guys the bag. So this is a trifecta now because I have 3 Rowans in my collection now. I have the first one. Well, this is not the first Rowan that I purchased, but this is the first Rowan that I purchased and actually kept. I actually purchased a Disney Rowan in this signature canvas, and it had some Disney characters on it like last year, like fall of last year. And I looked at that bag just set on my shelf and knew I would never wear it, and so I sold it. But so this is like the second Rowan that I got. So I got this one, the ivory that I just unboxed not too long ago, and now this one. So they're so nice I did it thrice. Actually, I have 4 because if you guys remember correctly, I showed you the Safiano one in the chalk color that I'm going to sell. So I actually have one that I'm going to sell. So these are the 3 that I have in my collection now. So that's all I wanted, guys. Just wanted to come on here real quick and show you this Rowan that I just picked up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there are any last minute purchases that you plan on making before the end of the year. Thank you again for stopping by. And don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.